How to change display name on Grindr. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your display name on the Grindr app. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Grindr account, you'll come to the browse section like this. Now in order to change your display name, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left. After that, tap on your profile name. As you tap on it, the option to change your name will be activated. Now you can simply erase the previous name and then type the new one that you want to use. After you have changed your name to the new one, you can simply go back and the name change will be applied. However, you can also change your name by going to edit profile. In this section, you can change various other details along with your name. As you can see, there are options to change various other details. However, in order to change the name, you can simply go to display name and then change it. So you can change your display name on Grindr by any of the two methods. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.